Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to schedule a software update on your XPeng vehicle. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to open up our vehicle settings. I am on the XPeng P7 Plus Performance. Now we're going to scroll down and go to General right at the bottom. What we're interested in is our system update. So we're going to tap on it, and here at the bottom, we got two options. We can update now or schedule an update. We want to schedule our update, and here we can choose what time is good for us. So of course I have a 24-hour clock here, so we can select for example 22:50. It'll be 10:50 p.m. The update is around 15 to 20 minutes depending on your internet connection. Of course it can be faster, and all you do is you click on confirm, and then everything will work just fine. So, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.